Okay, on the field with Dan's P-47, his FMS. So we do an honor flight. Okay, there he goes. Oh shit. That looked pretty close. That looked pretty close. Alright, you gonna come over the field? Hey Dan, we're doing a clockwise pattern.
What way are we doing? Clockwise?
Clockwise. Let's go clockwise. I don't know if it was as close as it looked, but where are you at?
I'm up above the runway.
Okay. I'm gonna come back to you.
Hang a right. Alright, I'm parallel to the runway. Call that downwind.
Okay.
I can go pretty slow.
No, well, don't go too slow. I can't go as slow as you. Okay, are you gonna come low? Come low.
Coming low from right?
Yep. I'm off throttle. Oh, you're way behind. Hold on.
Full throttle. Can't catch you.
Okay, you gonna cut the turn? Cut the turn.
Was that full throttle, Dan?
That was full throttle.
Oh, what the hell is going on?
Oh, what the?
Oh, no way. That's way over.